A lot of you ask me how to become an herbalist, and the short answer is to study. But I've also realized that it's a bit like becoming an artist, a writer or a painter or a musician. And you can and should be taught how to play by teachers and by yourself. We need to learn the foundations and how to use the instrument and about techniques. But in order to develop style, to play music, to write music, to make art, to conduct the symphony that is the human body in concert with nature, we need to practice and practice and practice. And I often say that herbalism is a lifestyle. It is that. It is also an art form. And it is a very human art form. It's one that we know in our ancestries and in our roots and in our DNA, and it's within arm's reach every single day as we live in the natural world as a part of the natural world.